The given equation defines a circle in the xy plane. What is the radius of that circle? This is likely one of the easiest questions you'll ever have to do, as long as you remember that this is the equation of a circle given to you in standard form. So just as a quick reminder, the standard form of a circle looks like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. And the center is literally just reading off the h and k values. Remember, you need to switch the signs when you do enter those numbers. So center is h comma k, and the radius, I know it's not being asked for now. The center is not being asked for, but the radius is. To find the radius, you always take this value and you square root it. Okay, so since we are given 121 as the radius squared, well, just square root of 121 would give you the radius, and that's 11. Simple as that. If you wanted to, if they asked for the center, then that center would be -6 comma -3. Remember, you changed the signs in each. But for this question, we just needed the radius, so our answer is 11. Hope that helps. Boom.